Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you've all had an amazing Christmas. I've had a great Christmas. That's why I haven't really been posting content, because I've been preparing for, gathering family, spending some time as a family over Christmas, and plus I work in retail, so it's been absolutely crazy in work. So what I'm going to be talking about today is how Pluto Alliance and the revenue share, how it all works. There's a beautiful article that's been made that gives you basically all the information about V1 and V2, how revenue will work, how forging will work, which I'll leave a link down below that you guys can check out. I'm going to be using that today to help explain my what I'm going to be talking about the revenue. I'm going to be quickly going over this because it is still kind of Christmas, I suppose. It is the 26th today. Everyone still kind of celebrates, sees family, and I've got some things to do. But I wanted to get this video out for you guys. I wanted to keep you guys in the loop. We want to keep getting the Pluto Alliance content out and spreading the word. The hype is real. We've got the Coinbase marketplace coming out very soon. That's all I'm going to say. You guys can, speculate, talk among yourselves in the Discord. But guys, things are looking amazing. We had the Pluto Alliance V2 Black Hole General sell for 9 Ethereum, which is I think about $36,000 at the time. Absolutely massive stuff. The volume is high for V2. People are buying it. People are enjoying the whole community. So yeah, well, how revenue works. So I did come here. This beautiful article someone's done from the Pluto Alliance community. I believe you guys. Again, I'll link it down below. How does the revenue share work? Right. So 50% will be split to all the forged aliens. So if you have 3 panels, you forged it, etc, etc. I explained how forging works in the last video, which you can click just up here to check that out. So if you have forged aliens, you will get 50% of the revenue share from OpenSea. So whatever's sold, 50% goes to them. But don't worry, you don't need to forge, you still get revenue share. So if you don't forge, you'll still also get 50% for unforged aliens, which is really good. So it keeps the utility for both forged and non-forged, so it's fair split for everyone. So it's that's basically it really. It's dead simple. 50% goes to forged, 50% goes to unforged. Makes it fair and simple. I will let you guys know, currently they are looking for a way to make it cheaper to transfer funds and whatnot, because Ethereum gas fees are absolutely insane. They still are. They have been lower than normal recently, but still, they are still insane, too crazy. And they're looking into making a way on the BSC, Binance Smart Chain, to decrease the fees, which should be roughly out in a month's time. So I thought I'd give you that insider knowledge, guys. So in about a month, the fees should be cheaper, and rev share will be coming in more often for everyone. So you guys will be seeing that very soon. So yeah. Basically it, guys. There's not really much to talk about in terms of rev share. Basically, you'll be getting it if you hold Pluto Alliance. Why would you not want passive income? 50% if you forge, 50% unforged, and the more aliens you own, the more passive income you will get. So there it is, guys. That's basically it. I just want to talk about the project a bit more before we end. There's not really much more on the revenue side of things, but in terms of the future of V2, it is strong. The community has been strong. I can see in the Discord people are positive. Everyone's helping each other out, and this project is it's a long-term project. People keep saying it's just a money grab of V2 and V1. It's really not. Both projects, version 1 and 2, have utility uses. People have had life-changing money. There's been over I think now $600,000 given out to all holders. Some people have been lucky more than others, depending on the rarity of your alien. But guys, honestly, just keep holding. If you have a V2, you're going to be getting passive income now. So, there's utility there. You're basically getting money for doing nothing, just for holding one of these aliens. A lot of you guys who been an alien got an extra one. A lot of you guys who just had a V2 also got an extra one, which happened when the mint happened. So guys, everyone got a free share of an alien, and things are just looking brilliant. Yeah, guys, that's basically it today. I hope you've all had an amazing Christmas. I'm sorry for this short video, but I wanted to make it short and sweet. Just wanted to bring you guys up to date with how the revenue share works, if you guys haven't read about it or not looked into it. If you guys want to read more about how it all works with V2 and V1, the forge mechanics, more about the revenue, there will be a link to this article down below. I want you guys to check it out. Let's give the guy a shout out, Nick Valdez. Thank you so much for making this article. It's helped a lot of people, and hopefully those guys who are watching and are interested to read it will read over it. Just thank you guys. I appreciate it. We're going to get more videos out now. Christmas is over. We're going to come up with more ideas. We're going to have CoinLeague videos. We're going to show how you guys can do that and how Pluto Alliance is linked. I'm going to do some live streams playing some CoinLeague games as well, so you guys can get into the loop. I've never actually played it yet, so I need to learn myself. I'm very excited. So yeah guys, that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.